Never buy cheapy Zippos. These Zippos, don't buy them. Piece of shit. Things pop out like that. I know you're probably gonna say, "Ooh, that was your fault," but no, it's not. It's a bit of metal. That's not the flint. See, like, that's a real Zippo. That's a real Zippo. See, Zippo. Earth. Shite. Right. This is called a loose hinge because it's crap. Everything's from China, so this is how you do like a beginner's trick. I can't remember the name. It's that there. So basically, there we go. You put your two fingers like that, right at the top, at the sides, and just kind of push down and go like that, like that. Okay, but kind of do it to the side like that, because it's really hard and it hurts. It doesn't hurt, but it wears your hinges even more if you do it up straight. See, that's just because of the hinges. It's crap. But that's the bad thing about all Zippo tricks. They do tend to break your Zippos because they're not meant to do it. So this is the beginner's trick, the easiest trick you can do. So if you're just new to doing Zippo tricks, please don't buy fake Zippos because they're crap. And please comment, rate and subscribe. And if you're newbie to my channel, subscribe. And I'm